There was a story in the British newspapers a few months ago about an athletics coach who had just been suspended for 3 years. Andy Young, a former Performance Coach of the Year, had placed performance above athlete welfare, ignored medical advice and used manipulative and coercive behaviour towards those he coached. An independent tribunal said Mr. Young could be very forceful to the point of exerting pressure so severe it amounted to manipulation or bullying. This resulted in athletes feeling that they had no realistic option but to acquiesce to his wishes if they wished to remain within his training group. The reports also contained a statement from Jack Butner, the chief executive of UK Athletics. This has been a difficult and sobering case for everyone involved in athletics. There is no level of success on the track which can ever justify behaviours that fall short of the standards required. He said performance and medals can never come at the expense of athlete welfare. It would never happen in Ireland, right? Sport Ireland is the authority tasked with the development of sport and oversees our high-performance athletes and coaches. Here's what they say about themselves. Sport Ireland acts with integrity, upholding the highest ethical standards. We are honest, inclusive and transparent in all partnerships and funding relationships, decisions and actions. Sport Ireland's core values are inclusion, integrity, respect, excellence, accountability. Or this, from their high performance strategy published in June 2021. The welfare of athletes and of everyone involved in high performance sport will be central to the strategy, and no shortcuts will be taken in order to achieve ambitious goals. Sounds great, but what if all that stuff about values, integrity and athlete welfare was just shite and it was all and only about the medals? This week in the Sunday Independent, read Troubled Waters, our story on one of the great scandals in the history of Irish sport.